One day there was a turtle named Phil. Phil was very nice, but he had a problem. He wasn't very fast. He really wanted to win the big race, so he practiced and practiced so hard. Today's the big race, Phil told himself. It was him and his evil enemy, Buck Deer. Buck was big, fast, and a little smarter than Phil, but Phil knew if he tried hard, he could win the race. When Phil walked out, no one cheered for him but his mom, dad, and 8 brothers and sisters. When Buck walked out, everyone cheered and shouted. They both lined up. "Go!" a big voice said. They were off. Buck was gone. Poor Phil. He was fast. He was a fast turtle, but not fast enough. Buck decided he could get a little snack, so he stopped and walked off the race path to get some berries. Buck said. These berries were good. Time to go now. So he walked and walked. Shouldn't the race path be here? But by this time, Phil was almost to the finish line. A little bit farther, Phil told himself. He was finished first place. But by the time Buck got out, it was dark, and he went home and went to bed.
Okay, so we're going to do the Venn diagram chart, and you start out with their names. And the one in the middle, right there, is both, what they both do. And then over here is what they do by themselves. So Phil is slow, and Buck is fast. And then for both, they both wanted to win. Both wanted to win. And then another character thing for Phil has self-confidence. And Buck was selfish. And another thing for both is they both have fans. And then the last thing for both of them is Phil is not non-popular. And Buck is very popular. And that's how you do the plot Venn diagram.